Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
We're talking about Surge. Do you chase it? You chase that little dragon. You're always like, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I want to get it. I want to get it. I want to get it. But it's always just out of reach. You start driving there. You're like, oh man, look at that $20 Surge sitting right there. It's just right there. It's down the road. And then all of a sudden you start driving down, and then it goes from $20 and then it hits $8 and you're like, oh crap. And then all of a sudden you see it parts. It's like you're Moses and you're parting the sea of Surge. And then all of a sudden you're like, what the hell? And then behind you, it surges again.
Yeah.
What's going on?
So that's called Surge Kryptonite. There are a lot of drivers like that. You know, that happened to me when it used to surge in LA, Chris. It used to happen to me a lot. It'll be just me, my pin, right? And then right around me, that'll be white. And then everywhere else would be like red. I'm like, what's happening? Am I the Surge Kryptonite or what? So now we have, cherry picker of cherry pickers from Boston. And he does some content for us. That was funny, bro. That was hilarious. Mm-hmm. This is Matt from Boston. That's his pin. That's
Matt's
his house.
I saw him earlier. Yep. So if you didn't see the video, make sure you go check it out after the show. He just came out, or we just posted, I believe Tuesday or Wednesday of last week. So it's right in the videos there. Yeah. But what's funny is, so he's sitting outside his house, or I'm sorry, inside his house, and turns the app on, because I mean that's probably the best way to start your day. Is you sitting in the house, you turn the app on, and you wait for the first ride to come in. You might be, turn it on and bing, there you go. But yeah, so if you see on the screenshot, for those who are just listening, I'll tell you. But yeah, he's sitting in his house, no surge around. So he walks outside, walks down to the front of his house, and gets some surge attached.
But hold on, but do you see that flat line right in front? Like do you see that line?
Yep.
That's like no surge for you, Matt.
Yeah, like if you were next door hanging out with your buddy.
Oh, you got plenty surge.
Your neighbor, you would have gotten some surge right there. In fact, if you would have walked to the corner, you probably would have gone from like 75 cents or $1 or whatever they were giving you to like $2.25 right there. So, yes.
That's hilarious. But then Matt did go chase the surge. Are we gonna play the video?
Huh?
Are we gonna play the video?
If you want to see what happened, you go watch the video.
Oh, you go watch the video. So what?
You
go watch the video. And it's only like a minute and a half.
See what happens there.
He got surge. He got surge.
Oh yeah. But here's the takeaway, and well, I mean, Sergio saw this and thought this was hilarious, so he wanted to talk about it. But let's do the takeaway on when it comes to chasing surge. The big thing is don't chase surge, because yes, you're going to be Moses parting the Red Sea. You want that surge, and when it happens, it happens. But the easiest thing that you can do is study your maps and see where areas are surging at the times they're surging. So you know when and where areas in your area are going to surge, so you can take advantage of that by positioning yourself properly. It's called planning, positioning, and patience. The 3 Ps that we always talk about. Those are 2 of them. And then when it comes to the patience, the best thing, turn your app off when you are on a ride, which means stop new requests or pause it out. And then that way, when you're on pause or stop new requests, that means you are off of the app at the point. So they're not going to count you as an active driver, which means if more people are doing that, more surge is going to be happening. Because if, let's say, 100 drivers are on driving in your particular area at the time, and let's say 30 of them are